To you? To me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. That poor lightning bug. Shut it down. You're gonna get eaten.
Get out while you can.